Okay, as far as the approach fast stack hub, I think it will fit right here on the left side of the stack supports for the avionics bay. As the avionics trays will go there, and then this could mount right here, right against that pole. There will be nothing in this top bay right there for the instrument, and that should fit right there. That will be perfect. I'll just have to fabricate a small plate to go across there to screw the support plate, a plate for the plate. Okay, got it all set up here to drill. I've got the back plate primed and drilled for the holes for the advanced stack, approach fast stack, and then these holes here will hold the support plate against the mount for the avionics trays, and then this will catch the debris from the drilling, and I'll have the vacuum running as well. Okay, here's the plate, firmly attached. It does not interfere with the trays. So now I'll put the fast stack tray on it. All right, now we have the tray for the fast stack attached. And that's it. That should work fine. That's it. Right in the middle. Along the side of the tray. And that's just leaning down. That's the transponder just leaning down, showing that I got room to fit.